Video we are going to see what is data quality. Yes, how can we measure the quality of data? How the quality of data is reduced? What are the problems? That's what we are going to see in this presentation. What kind of data quality problems? What kind of problems that can arise? How can we detect problems with the data? And what can we do about these problems? These are the things which is related to data quality. Yes, examples of data quality problems are noise and outliers, missing values, and duplicate data. So we are going to all the three things in this. Yes, noise. See, noise refers to modification of original values. Yes, I'm talking with some person through phone, but the network is not so good. So this is the normal communication frequency of the signals which I am sending if my phone network is very clear. So if it has noise, then what happens? See here, this is the deviation that occurs. So this is the distortion that occurs in the voice signal which I am sending to the destination. So because of this noise, the original data may be varied. So I will get the data which is not of original one because the noise is also mixed. So the data quality gets reduced. It may happen in the radio, television, etc. Yes. Next comes outliers. Outliers are the data objects with characteristics that are considerably different than most of the other objects in the data set. Yes. So if all are same, but any one of the case is finding, if any of the data is found to be different, then it is nothing but outlier. For example, if I am searching for the student data and in that I am finding the age of all the students, and I am finding the age of all the students, I am finding that out of 100 students, 99 students are in the age of like 18 to 22, but only one student I am finding that he is of 25. So what is the different thing? What is abnormal thing I am finding? 25. So this is nothing but I am finding some object which is entirely different from the others. That is nothing but outlier. It is some exceptional case. Clear? Yes. Missing values. Yes. Reasons for missing values. See, I am getting the data from the data warehouse. In that I am finding some value, some attributes, some values of a particular attribute are missed. So the reason may be information may not be collected and the attributes may not be applicable to all the cases. See, if I want to give the answer which is not applicable to me, if they are asking in PhD what is your specification, then if I have not done my PhD, how I will give the specification? So I will leave it blank. So it is not applicable to me. In that case, the data may be missing. Next, but if I take from the data warehouse and if it is of empty rows, then the quality, what we will think the quality is not so good. So how can we handle with the missing values? There are 4 ways to handle it. One is eliminate the data objects. Just delete the rows where you are finding that few data are missing. Then second one is estimate missing values. So what in some cases what we can do is we can put some approximate value or average value or mean value or median value. If you don't want to remove that row, you can estimate it with the value. See, I am finding that some students, one of the subjects result is not entered. So for all the subjects I am seeing that 18 CS52 computer networks pass, 18 CS52 computer graphics pass, and 18 CS53 DBMS, that the next pass or fail data is missing. What I will do now, I will check the student. If he is of good student, that is he is above average student, then I will make it as pass by a guess, right? So what I am doing, I am estimating some missed value. How I am finding? With the other marks, with the other subject result. Like if in all the 6 subjects he has passed and he got more than 90%, then obviously he would have passed in DBMS also. So what I am doing, I am estimating the value and I am putting there as pass P. That is what it is. estimating the missing value. Next comes ignore the missing value during analysis. Let it be missing value only. Don't take that for analysis. Don't take that missed row for the analysis. Next, replace with all possible values. So whatever data are there, by weighing probabilities you can replace the possible values. So these are the ways to handle the missing values. Next comes duplicate data. Sometimes what happens while entering the data, some duplication may occur. So in that case, what to do? Data set may include data objects that are duplicates or almost duplicate of one another. Twice they would have uploaded, twice they would have entered some row, twice they would have entered some attributes. So major issue when merging data from heterogeneous sources. Yes, I might have collected from CSE HOD as well as the CSE faculty some data. So what will happen? Both the data will be there in my mail. So that is duplication. So example, same person with multiple email address. Yes, if I have 2 or 3 mail address, if I am getting the same data to both of my mail IDs, then that is duplication. Duplicate identifiers in medical databases. So in that case, what we can do, if duplication is there, that's not issue, we can clear it. We can clean the data. Process of dealing with duplicate data issues. Yes, with this my data quality gets over. Hope you would have understood. Thank you.